Who's that big boy? Silly. Woo.
Stadium. Colleen, hey, after Tony Romo, you can make the case the most significant player on offense for the Dallas Cowboys is Romo's favorite target, Jason Witten. What is Witten's status for tonight's game?
Linda, Jason Witten just left the field after spending about 20 minutes going through his normal pre-game warm-ups. The injury report won't come out for another hour. He'll probably be reevaluated once again, but we are getting indications that he will not play tonight. Witten lacerated his spleen in a preseason game with the Raiders. He did have a scan yesterday in Dallas. He did not make the team play. Came here on his own. He had reportedly told the team that he would sign a medical waiver relinquishing them of any responsibility. And the team doctors, if he injured his spleen again in this game. But our reports are that the Cowboys weren't going to go with that at all. Again,
Yeah.
report on Witten not coming out for Revenant
So you got to say?
that he will not be putting on the pass.
Emily, we will share that information with our sports center audience. Okay, Colleen, what do the Cowboys hope to learn about themselves from tonight's game?
They hope to learn that they can beat the Giants. The entire offseason, and then they spent the offseason rebuilding their entire offensive line. They also brought in 2 new starting cornerbacks. They traded up in the draft to get LSU's Morris.
Come on. You lock? Wow. Who's a big boy? Come on. Do no hands. No hands. Hands up. Hands up.
If you're a coach for the players for Dallas, you're really doing everything you can do.
Hands up. Big boy. Who's mommy's big boy? Look at you. Look at Ethan. Ethan walking. Yeah.
You can sit there and explain your thought process on decisions.
Who's my sweet little man? Look at Ethan. Oh, and he's down.
An owner that maybe isn't as savvy wouldn't be able to process that.
Ethan.
Mom and see what happens there.